Alright folks, Larry D. So, doing yet another unboxing. And did a little pit stop at Spirit Halloween. Show you those real quick first. Anyway, I picked up two things from Spirit. This one is cool. Pretty sick. Great detail. So let's go over here with my Underworld Cirrhosis display. And had to get that, of course. The apple juice, honestly. And we also got that. Grab it. Hamilton book. Ordered me some movies. There we go. A few this time. Let's see, first of all, we got 8 film collection of horror. We got Shallow Ground, Severed, Evil Remains, Gone Dark, Spliced, Blood Gnomes, Demon Within, Hell's Gate. Pretty cool. And we got, this one's actually a sci-fi. I got a couple of sci-fis in here. It's called Scavengers. Here's a Void. I'm not one of those like this, but they're egregious plot of it, but whatever. It's fine. The widescreen edition of Pulse, unrated. Really good movie. That's what I couldn't remember the name of it to save my life at one live stream I did. And I got a copy of the dang thing. And we got a 5-movie set here. We've got Seventh Hunt, okay. Toxic Lullaby, okay. Color of Out of Dark, Cut, and Slaughter, sweet. And I finally picked up a copy. I've been meaning to do this for a long time. Bone Jangles, nice slasher. Pretty cool. And a couple other sci-fis. This one I've been looking for forever and a day. Remember this when it came out, I was a kid. Laser Blast. The Full Moon production. Let's see, shoot. For whatever reason, you can't even get this on their own website. Somebody stole the rights to it or some nonsense, but whatever. I got a copy of it. It may have changed by now. And I remember this here in my early 20s. Last Starfighter. Oh, wait, I ordered the Last Starfighter, and they sent me the Last Starship. Well, that sucks. I thought this was the Last Starfighter. I thought that's what I ordered. Maybe I don't know how to read. Oh well, and hopefully it's good. But yeah, that's what I got today. Catch you all later, because tonight I will be doing fun hot sauce. Later.